What's up, guys? Started doing the AC and also the balance mic or balance line sends and feeds from different rooms and different parts of the studio. Probably do this in two parts just because I've started some things here I won't be able to finish until the very end. So I wanted to get a video out for you guys. We'll start over here at the box. And what I'm doing here is I'm running three actual lines out of here. Two will feed the audio gear and the studio, and one will feed the lights. What we should note here is what I'm doing is I'm twisting the hot and the neutral pretty close, maybe 4 to 5 turns per foot, and then I'm running a and these are all stranded copper 12 gauge. And then I'm running a neutral line right alongside that. We're coming up into conduit. And sorry about that. I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I can run. Yeah, conduit runs and then it comes out into the studio and comes all the way down here. And then down into the front here. And everything will come out of here. That's what all this is. This is why it's so long. Everything will come out of here into either a desk or a rack, and that's where I'll put the outlets. And then to prevent any ground loop area, all of the balance lines will follow them back out to the junction and then into different places. It's kind of hard to explain if you're not familiar with ground loop area, but basically every single electrical line will come out and junction into the rack or the desk, and then each one will go back out. So for example, one will come out and it goes up into here and it comes around and it comes out here where there'll be an outlet and also inputs for mic lines. Now if you can see right here, I've run the balanced lines right along the conduit for the AC to prevent as much ground loop area as possible. The orange are speaker wires that go to another room. So this comes out here. This will feed 2 outlets again, and here's these balanced lines will probably be something like right about there. But again, if you can see back in there, what we're doing is we're just tying all of our mic lines as close as we can to the AC, and it will follow. There will be a conduit that will come out that will have them tightly come out all the way to the desk, again, to prevent any ground loop area. And that's really important to keep the noise down as much as possible. The other one that comes out for the lights is just conduit, or Smurf tube, if you like it to call it that. Comes down into a junction box here where we're going to have 2 dimmers and some other things. And, you know, basically they just go back up into the ceiling for our lights, sorry about that, which will be hung in a drop ceiling when I get that far. So that's pretty much that for right now. Things are progressing as far as the broadband traps are concerned. I'm still waiting on the materials for the membrane traps. Lead time has been crazy, and just trying to coordinate it because it's a little bit of an interesting project. It's just taken time to get it to explain and find good prices and things like that. But we're moving along. I actually took these pieces right here were out from that surrounded here and went around the doorway because I've decided to change my fabric color from my usual maroon to more of a grayish blue color, which I think will go really nice in here, considering that I'm in a basement and it's kind of a dungeon, so any extra brightness will be good. But that's where we're at. I will do another sort of conclusion to the electric after I get everything set. I wanted to get something out to you guys again, and you know, the electric will essentially be finished at the very last stages, so probably not for another month or so. But thanks for hanging in there. It's been fun so far. A little frustrating recently just because of the delays and things like that, but I'm thinking it's all going to show up in the same week, and I'm just going to be crazy busy and getting videos knocked out and getting the stuff knocked out, and that'll be really cool because I'm getting really excited to get this done. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and give me a like if you like it. Subscribe if you want. I'm trying to keep them going. Also, I think I've said before, I'll link my Facebook page. It's just, I don't obviously do videos all the time, but I am doing work, and I will post more still pictures over there. And also John, who is the designer of the room, tends to jump in the conversations there. So if you guys have questions, he's always full of knowledge and super entertaining on top of that. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you a little later. See ya.